Welcome to the 2-Minute SQL Tips. Window function is a topic that comes up often in data analyst or data scientist job interviews. In this video, we will introduce the basics of window functions. And yes, we'll keep it short and simple. Window functions perform calculations across a defined window of rows. Unlike group by, they don't collapse your data, but instead add insights to each row while keeping it intact. Here, rows that have the same product ID value are placed into the same window. Any calculation will be done within each group. Here's the basic syntax. Function name is the calculation to apply, like row_number or average. Over defines the window for the function. Partition by divides rows into groups. This is optional. Order by sorts rows within each group for the function to use. Let's start with the row_number function. This function assigns a unique number to each row within its window. For example, let's rank order the region for each product ID by amount. Here's the SQL. Here, rows are grouped by product ID and rank ordered by amount in descending order, and here's the result. Note that all of the original columns are still there. The new column, row num, shows the rank order of region for each product ID based on amount. For example, for product ID 1, North has a higher amount than South, so North gets a row num of 1 and South gets a row num of 2. Row_number is just one of several window functions. Unlike traditional aggregations, they keep the full dataset visible, enabling more granular insights. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2-minute SQL tips.